No more struggling to cut the lace or getting those ear tabs to stay down. Megalook Hair did it all for you, girl. Keep watching. Let me show you how easy it was to install this beauty.
Baby, I see us on our first date. You're doing everything that makes me smile. And when we had our first kiss.
Hello, my beautiful queens. Welcome to my channel. If wigs got you in a headlock and won't let go, this is the channel for you. So make sure you subscribe so you can keep vibing with your girl. I know the struggle of cutting lace and getting the ear tabs to lay down. Megalook Hair got you, girl. Let's get into the details of this beauty. This is a 13x6 pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached human hair wig. It is ready for you to wear, literally. The human hair on this wig is so soft and silky and full straight to the ends, and it's beautifully pre-plucked. They give you those 3 combs and the grip for the back of the nape, and you got the drawstring so you can pull it as tight as you need so it could be nice and snug. Look at that HD lace. Look at that HD lace. Wow. And the pre-pluckedness, everything is so satisfying to watch. Is it just me? And I love that it comes with everything you need. So this way you could just do a glueless install and feel like the wig is nice and snug and you ain't got to do a lot of work, girl. I installed this wig in under 30 minutes, if that. Okay? All you have to do, girl, is tint the lace, add the wig tape that they give you, put on the wig, tuck in the combs, pull the drawstring as tight as you want, and adjust the tape, and that's it. You literally don't have to do anything else. I added some melting spray because I'm extra, but that's it. That's the install. And then you can style the wig however you want. They did everything for you. That's all I had to do. To take off the tape, I used tweezers. It is tricky because you gotta be precise with it. If you want a full detailed tutorial on how I did it, I can do that for you. Leave a comment, let me know. Don't be scared. But yeah, that's all you had to do. Look at that. You don't have to add any melting spray, to be honest with you. I was being extra because give me about 6 feet and you can't tell I got a lace wig on. Don't be so close. I just love how flawless the hairline is. Like, that's what just got my heart. And it's so comfortable around the ears. So comfortable. Ain't gonna be no lifting going on. Because it's not on my ear. It's not hurting anything around my ears. It's chilling the way it's supposed to. Like my hair. Because that's the whole point of a wig. To make it look like it's yours. And at this point, I was feeling like my hair grew. My hair grew in 5 seconds, and that's that.
Go slower, go faster, like controller, controller, yeah. Like controller, controller, yeah. And I'm never on a wasting shawty. I do it how you say you want it.
Now, one thing about me, I'm gonna use my sticky little secret melting spray, okay? For that flawless finish. It ain't gonna give you a hold, but it will give you that flawless melt.
Smiling back when they pre, knowing I lie for you, thinking I die for you. Jealousy, cry for you, do things when you want me to. Like controller, controller, yeah. Like controller, controller. You can't just...
Now, don't do what I'm about to do. Okay, I went and sprayed the ear tab with the melting spray, and it lifted the tape. I don't know what I was thinking there. I was so mad at myself. Why did I do that? I don't know. Girl. I really don't. So, but I'm showing you so you don't do that. Okay? Don't do that.
With me, but when it comes to you, I think I'd lie for you. I think I'd die for you. Do things when you want me to, like controller. Yeah, like controller. Yeah. And I'm never on a wasting shot. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have nothing. They don't wanna see me find your love. They don't wanna.
I was so ready to flatten down the parting that I couldn't wait for the hot comb to heat up fast enough for me. It wasn't heating up fast enough for me. I had to stop because it wasn't doing what it was supposed to, because it wasn't heated up enough. So, moral of this story is be patient, stop rushing. Look at the silkiness. I love the density, to be honest with you. The density to me is natural. Like, you don't need too much. It's giving wig after a while, This is giving natural.
Break it down and tell you what your sex is like. Let me break it down and tell you what your sex is like.
So just sit back and relax and enjoy.
It's like brand new. Let's fly. I'm feeling brand new. I light start all my friends when I watch, and the doors come like lights. In the middle of the night, on where and I'm flexing for life. I know I'll be on some crazy shit, but I love you.
Let me try to explain.
You wouldn't leave me.
I love when that wig band just pops off. I don't know. I do. I love it. And I love that melt. And it's giving a little widow's peak. Now that I'm looking at it, it's giving, is it just me? It got a little widow's peak going on. Okay. I'm not mad at it. Make sure you comb out those edges. You don't want that stick down hair line. You don't want that. So this is the final look. I love it.
And it feels like you don't know my name. Not to say it feels like you don't know my name. Will you ever know? Oh, baby, 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 I see us on our first date. You're doing everything that makes me smile. And when we had our first kiss, it happened on a Thursday. And oh, set my soul on fire. Oh, baby, 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 I can't wait for the first time. My imagination's running wild. Feels like
Megalook here. You did that. They know what they're doing. They know how to keep us hooked. If you have made it this far, I truly appreciate you, girl. I really do. Make sure you give this video a like. Make sure you are subscribed. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Thank you for vibing with me. I'll see you on the next one, girl.